Hi, my name is Skylar. I'm sorry that this is so late. I thought I submitted it, but I think my computer deleted it or whatever it decided to do. Um, I'm not going to keep re-recording this because of him. He's going to bark. I'm sorry. Um, the picture on my screen is a picture of me and my boyfriend at my sister's wedding. This is the barker that you hear in the background. This is a place that is very important to me. That is in Silver Beach, Michigan. It's where my boyfriend's sister's wedding was, and ultimately where me and my boyfriend are going to get married because it was very beautiful. And he's somebody who's important to me. Leo, the dog, is also very important to me. My grandpa is very important to me. He recently had a lot of medical issues. I am a early childhood major, and I'm hoping to teach first, second, or third grade.